these things? Can somebody please tell me what you do with these things?
That was an old clip from 2009 for a similar video we did back then. Well, certainly a lot has changed since 2009. I got rid of my mustache. The company's over twice the size that it was in 2009. But one thing that hasn't changed is the candy stick. Of course, I know what a candy stick is. I grew up with them. They'd find their way into my Christmas stocking almost every year. Just as my kids find them in theirs or have found them in theirs, and now my grandkids. So, long-standing tradition in many ways.
Thanks, Rob. Thanks for your time today. We'll just cut right to the chase. The first question is, what is a candy stick?
A candy stick is a miniature armor rod. The armor rod being, of course, the first preformed line product.
Okay.
It's a way of demonstrating the helical principle, the armor rod product itself. We've used it to train linemen over the years, and it's just kind of a neat giveaway as well.
So just to clarify, we actually took these out and trained linemen on how to use preformed armor rods when they were moving away from wrench-formed armor rods.
Right.
Oh,
exactly.
Okay. It's called a candy stick because of?
It looked like a dime store candy stick. Nobody really knows where the name originally came from. It goes back to 1953, at least to 1953.
Right. What do the colors signify?
Well, it's very simply red, white, and blue. It's founded in the United States and invented in the United States, originally made in the United States and proudly made here today.
And then how many of these do we really distribute to customers?
We go through about 3,000 of these a year.
Nice.
Trade shows and so on.
Awesome.
And then, of course, they end up in Christmas stockings, much as it did during my youth.
How do you actually put them together? How would you advise me if I was to pick these up and put these together? How would I put these together?
Well, if you're real good at it, you can do all 9 rods at one time. And I have known people over the years that can do that.
Okay.
But for me anymore, it's just, I basically put 3 together at a time.
Okay, like this?
Called the subset method.
All right.
So see if I can get this again the second time. You just grab the rods about a pitch length apart, twist them together.
Okay.
Then you take the subsets, lay them in there together, twist them into place. And I'll let you put the last one.
Oh, okay. Let me see if I can do that. Get them all nice and level, and I think we're going to lay that in there like so. Oh, wow.
There you
Snap,
go.
snap, that's great. Well, Rob, I want to thank you for coming and sharing this time with us and giving us an education on the candy stick. For everybody out there, tune in again for some more distribution tips and tricks.
Pick up a candy stick the next time you're at a trade show.